Hello everyone, today let's discuss how to handle frames in Playwright. The Playwright provides several methods to handle and interact with frame or iframe elements. In this video we will discuss frame and frame locator methods to interact with iframe elements. So for practice you can visit autoprac.com, selenium and then /iframe1. Here you will see a single iframe. So if you will inspect, you can see there is an iframe with source this id test frame id, name test frame, and title iframe example. Copy URL. So let's first handle using frame method. So await page.go to this URL and then first get the frame const my frame, you can give any name, page.frame. So if you will check the signature, you can see it accepting frame selector, name or URL. So in frame selector you can give name of the frame. So name is test frame. You can also get the frame using name option. So const my frame equal to page.frame and then curly brackets, name colon double quotes, name of the frame, which is test frame. We can also get the frame using the URL. So URL is basically source of the iframe. Copy it and again const my frame equal to page.frame curly brackets URL colon double quotes URL of the iframe. Now in case you do not want to give the complete URL, you can use regular expression. So to get the frame using the partial URL, so copy it and let's get it using the form 1. So remove this double quotes. So now it will identify using the partial URL. So switching to frame is not required here. You can directly interact with the element using the frame object. So let's fill in this username. So input with class form control, there are 4. So we need the first one, copy it. So use frame object my frame dot. So it provides you several methods. So let's use locator. So locator is this, but there were 4, so we need the first one. So we can use nth0 here and type anything Ram. Now let's fill in one more input box, email, which is again form control. So let's try XPath this time. So input with class this. Again there are 4 and we need the second one, which is for email. Copy it, use myFrame dot fill method. Fill is associated with frame and you can fill information in input box after giving the selector, then comma, and then value. Test at @example.com. Don't forget to use await, execute. So you can see in username we got value Ram and in email we got test@example.com. Now let's try to interact with elements using the frame locator method. Copy, paste, frame locator method. So change this to frame locator. So frame locator, you can see in method definition it will accept selector of iframe. So selector we can use, so it's an iframe with title iframe example. So iframe title equal to iframe example. Copy it and use here in double quotes. So now we are selecting using the selector. Now locator method we can use with frame locator. Fill we are getting any, that means we cannot use fill method with frame locator. So there are different methods associated with frame locator than frame. So if you will try to execute, you will get an error because fill is not linked with the frame locator method. You can see myFrame.fill is not a function. So with frame we were able to use this fill method, but here we are getting errors. So you can use anything else. You can replace it with locator and type it. Or you can use any other method as well. So in username we got value Ram and in email we got value test@example.com. This is how we can use frame and frame locator method. In upcoming videos, let's discuss how to handle multiple frames and how to handle inner frames, basically parent-child frames. Thank you for watching this video.